1 second. Okay, recording started. Hello, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us today. We called it Kiss.conf. Nobody gonna kiss anybody. It's just the meaning, abbreviation is keep it stupid simple, because the idea came on last Friday and we had just less than 5-6 days to reach to the great people. We wanted to share their experiences and to all the partners and kind of make things together, put things together and marketing and everything and bring you all together here. So I can proudly tell we really managed to do it. So thank you for all the efforts people put, really appreciate it. And especially nowadays, and everybody has so much stuff going around because of COVID. And here are all the communities, great names that put their efforts. Thank you so much. Vurgun from Expert Tech, Gary from Tech Academy, Lee from Layer 5, Malik from GDG Baku, Imran and Rustam from Ingress Academy, and Samir Karimov from Pragmatic. Unfortunately, he won't able to join, but really appreciate all your efforts. And it's also, we have only one main sponsor. It's symbolically, we wanted to have the kind of experience how to make it. Thanks for Jumshud and Nurlan from ERP Go. So they have some small gifts they're gonna give you during the closing ceremony. So please stay tomorrow so during that time. And yeah, and hopefully you will enjoy the time during the happy hour. And today's agenda it's pretty tense. And it's kind of the opening currently. I'm talking, and then you'll have the session 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all is in the website with all the details. And we will start. Garib and Vurgun will start for session 1, and then Lee will talk for session 2, and session 3, Rishad will talk for open source driven career, and then Taguer will talk about his open source project, and last will be Elvin Effendi, who is one of the main contributor for Nginx Ingress controller. So it's mainly the topic's gonna be here today. And yeah, and the motivation in general for the GOUP was how we can bring the right culture and technology, and it inspired from my experience during the Google Summer of Code, where Lee was my mentor. So I was really impressed by his attitude for the community, how to build the community and bring people together who can build a product. And at the same time, in June 1st, 2019, I came with also idea, because during that time I wanted to share the experience, but I didn't have any community and I couldn't reach. And the people who had communities, they were kind of putting a lot of kind of roadblockers, do that. And then I finally came up with that initiation, and I made my first session, and there was only 2 people who joined. So the idea is how we can make it the right culture, and how we can make the community structure and develop within a community. So, and that was the main motivation. And GOUP is idea of take people from mainly working from Azerbaijan but it's not limited for Azerbaijan. Anyone, we have currently use cases that people joining from all over the world. It's online presence. The people we have never seen together, we just come out and become online friends. That's really amazing. Thank you so much, Eminus, our maintainers. Emin Guliev, hey, can you?
Hey.
Unfortunately, Emin doesn't have in his desktop the camera, but yeah, he is one couple of the maintainers, the people I have never met. They just started helping and contributing. Thanks so much, Elshad Agaev and Rovshan Musayev. Some folks started. Thank you so much. And yeah, it's collaborate with new friends, knowledge and experience sharing, hints to use new technology, direct advice from experienced people, and you can just go to Slack and community channel. As long as you follow the code of conduct, you can write and ask anything. And easy community access for open source starters, because there are some folks when they start open source, I think Lee knows how it's hard from zero take the open source project and build a community. And hopefully this kind of community will help them to share their open source project. And if they can convince some folks, kind of take some other folks and create channel and give access them, and they can start building their product. So the idea was that anybody can, with less efforts, can start building their open source project. So it's kind of community of sub-communities, basically. That was a couple initial things in mind. In summary, as I said, it started the same time as Google Summer of Code 2019, and since that time, a couple metrics. We have around 480 people in Slack, some GitHub stars. We have some YouTube watch, and people really keep giving us feedback. They really get engaged, they learn, they get guidance, and it's really these feedbacks keep the community going up. So at this point of time, I can say that it's no longer about me or somebody else. It's just community comes with initiation, and some other folks just answer their question. It's really amazing that the pipeline, how it works. So yeah, it's our first conference experience. Excuse if anything goes wrong. Again, the initiation comes within a week, so they made so much stuff that because of lack of experience, we can go wrong. So sorry. And we have, as a GOUP, as a community collaboration formats, we have 3 of them, 0 to Hero. It's 2-hour webinars that anybody can come and speak. That's how we started. And as I said, when first I started, just 2 people joined. And that time it was really hard for me to convince my friends even to speak, to share the experience. But the good thing that within a year, we managed to come to the point that within like a couple hours, I managed to reach so many great people, and they accepted to speak. So it's amazing that how it's changed over the year, if you look back. And TechBrains is a networking format where 3 to 5 minutes people speak about their experiences and their shared points, because what's usually issue in the networking events that you end up talking only couple people, not many, but this kind of in 2 hours you can get to know 40 or more people. So it's kind of, we managed to do it all this in GitHub. We wrote all process. You can check the GitHub, and it was, people were impressed and people really enjoyed it. And you are free to take this any format and apply into any community or any place you want. So it's all, the idea was we managed, we learned, and then pros, cons, everything we write down. So, and yeah, code of conduct is super simple. It's all in English. The community is diversified. Please follow to speak in English, and we are here to collaborate, learn, benefit, and contribute. We are here equal despite of your role and accomplishment, no marketing, selling, or competing. So our super simple code of conduct. And yeah, photo shoot time, I'm gonna just bring, let's see, people just keep coming, but in case, yeah, let me, oops, let's see how I can make it bigger. Oops. Why? Oh, can I make it bigger? Let me see. Oops. Let me see. Sorry, guys. Oops. Oh, I can't see all. Oh, no. Wait. Oops. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Perfect. Please, 1 second. And hopefully all you will be in the camera. If not, I mean, if you can turn on the camera, it will be nice. If not, it's still nice. So thank you so much. And let me, oops. Yeah, I think just for memory, not for LinkedIn or Zoom, but yeah. And yeah, we want to know you. Please join here. I think it's already open, and please add here attendees, the fill in the list, because it will use for the gift and stuff while we're gonna play during the closing ceremony and the country where you are joining. And if you have any questions, please, for each session, please start writing here. That's gonna be the document that we will share after, and if there is any lack of time, all will be shared here. So that's about it. And one more last thing for our speakers. First of all, thank you so much again for your hard effort, and really appreciate. We have soft limit 35 minutes, but hard limit 45 minutes. If you think that is going longer, please go on. 10 minutes is not a big issue, but I think there will be people really will value from your talk. So
Sako,
yeah.
Sako, can you hear me?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Okay. I wanna talk just a little bit.
Sure.
So hi, I'm Emin, and I'm maintainer at GOUP currently. Actually, I'm so excited for today, and thank you so much everyone for joining. And first of all, I wish good luck to all speakers, and also tomorrow I will be talking about OS development, and anyone can attend my talk who interested in OS development and low-level things. Thank you. That's all.
Yeah, thank you so much. I mean, is really one of the rare few low-level engineers who really doing some scientific, some operating system kind of related, and that's really amazing. I have seen the slide. Please join, and all the talks, as including Damien's, are really amazing. Thank you so much. Garib and Vurgun, are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop sharing. So floor is yours. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I think you should keep a presentation though, right? Did you have the presentation, or Vurgun will be sharing that presentation?
Okay, I have the presentation. Okay.
I think yeah, it will be better if you control.
Oh,
Yeah.